Have to answer his question, sir.
He does have to.
No, he doesn't.
You want comments? Film me from the sidewalk.
Fuck
You
off.
want comments? Film me from the sidewalk.
Yeah.
You see what he did?
Yes, I know.
You swung at me.
You're abusing old men.
You swung at me.
That you're not a
If
Canadian.
I swung at you, it's on film, so you're fine. Drive
Because
us
I shouldn't the horn.
Yeah.
You come and hit me.
Yeah, it's called
That
communism.
is why you're pulled over.
It's called communism. It's communism. You don't have to show anything. You didn't do anything wrong.
I know I have.
You have the right of freedom of choice. You have the right to beep your horn or whatever. Why are you doing this?
Because it's an offense.
Of
It's an
what?
offense to beep your horn.
No, it is not an offense since
It is.
when?
Tell me it's not. I have it written down that it is. It's actually an
So
offense.
you're standing with your lying government? Gonna stop.
It's on your license.
Stop harassing old men. You don't have to show them anything.
Hey,
It's against the law. You just
fuck you. I'm not gonna. Hey,
for what? Hey,
what are you doing?
what are you doing?
Failing to ID.
Hey, hey, that's assault. I've got it all on video.
What's wrong with me? That's what it's on.
Failed to ID.
Yeah, he failed to ID.
Hey, hey.
Get back.